Alright, so you're probably going to hear the family that are watching a movie on the other side of that wall, right behind y'all. But, so, I received some seeds in the mail, and this is what happened. Got my little magic marker. I'm marking out some stuff on this box. So, in the event that it gets shown in the video, you guys don't see my address. Alright. We're actually going to be doing a gladiator challenge for Shed Wars. I know, right? I didn't do one last year, last season, so I'm doing one this season. So what we had to do is opposing teams, right? One person needed to pick someone from the opposing team to send a mystery seed. Ooh, mystery seed. And Jeff, brother, your seeds are on the way. All right, so got my awesome knife that I actually got from Jeff for this awesome beard. This is part of the beard up challenge. It's something that we had done previously and we are still doing currently. And if you would like to check that out, even though it has nothing to do with Shed Wars, I'll still post that down in the description and probably throw a link up here in the top. You guys can go check that out as well. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to open this bad boy up. So you only need to pick one variety of seed to send out. It just had to be more than a single seed, right? It had to be several seeds. And then you don't tell them what it is. You got to come up with a little note or hint, all right, of what you have to do to plant it. So here we go. This is the Gladiator Challenge. And this is, I believe, the third challenge. And he put on our Team Will It Grow. All right. So, Shed Wars 21. Let's see what we got going. So, we're going to come up here. Let's see what it says. Alright, so the back is Shed Wars 21, Team Will It Grow, Gladiator Challenge number 3, Dear Anson and Gladys. These are the 3 sets of seeds for the third Gladiator Challenge. We both have to grow all 3 varieties to completion to win, which is it's one variety, but you can do more than one plant. So don't give up. I've sent enough seeds for you to keep trying, so maybe don't plant all of them at once. Have fun with it. We're excited to try and get the seeds you're sending us. That's it. That's all I get. Alright, well, I'm going to look. There's writing on the bags, too, so we'll see. It says, thanks, blessings, Jeff and Tammy from Hicksville, Ohio. Alright. So, and he said I can just pick one, so we're going to go through, and from looking at this, which I also got some hair in there, maybe some, well, I know it's not beard hair because it's too long, maybe Tammy's hair. Alright, so this one actually looks like a seed that I'm not going to grow because that's a sunflower. These are plant depth, 1/4 of an inch, full sun, spacing 18 to 24 inches, 14 to 21 days to germination. So there we go. And that one looks promising. I have a feeling I know what that one is too. And then full sun, 6+ hours, 1/4 inch plant seed space, 3 to 4 feet. These are little tiny seeds. Alright. But anything I do is going to be in a bucket. So, or, I don't know. I I might do these 2. Who knows? I might even do all 3. Why not? So, put my lovely knife away. But for the challenge, I'm only going to do 1. And I will pick which one. I'll discuss it right now. The wife went to go pick up the kiddo from school. So, whenever she comes back, we'll discuss it. We'll choose which one we're going to do for the challenge. And I'll let you know. All right, so there was the mail call of opening up the seeds and getting everything. So I actually just got back this last weekend, from a work trip. I was gone for 2 weeks, hence the reason why I'm doing this a little late, but that's all right. I do have some seeds in the ground, and the thing with it is out of those 3 sets of seeds, Gladys did put some stuff in to get the seeds to germinate while I was gone. That way we can get them germinating, so by the time I got back, I can get them planted. And I'll show a picture of what she did to get them germinating. All right, so from that, we went through and looked at some of the seeds, and I picked some really good ones. I didn't want her to germinate every single seed that was in the bag. It's probably my fault. I didn't tell her what I wanted. That's all right. But that's not exactly everything that happened. So we went through, we picked out some of the seeds, put them onto a paper plate, went outside. I had to create a little area where I was going to be putting the sunflowers. Got those in. 3 seeds I got into the ground. So we're going to have 3 sunflowers because all 3 of those have germinated. They're growing. Other seeds were on a paper plate sitting on our little table that's outside. And I ended up going and doing something else. I needed to finish a forge that I was building. It's my portable forge that I'm working on because I need that for a trip that I'm taking here in a few weeks. All right. So, thing is, whenever I got done doing that forge, that paper plate, gone. Had the other seeds on the plate. Because we also had to go to the store and we had to get some topsoil or some soil for buckets and stuff, right? Because I didn't have it. So the thing is, I don't know where those other seeds went, y'all. I don't know where paper plate went either. I even asked Gladys, hey, do you know where these seeds went? Nope, haven't seen them. Even asked the kids, hey, have you seen these seeds? Do you know where they went? Nope, no clue. The plate wasn't on the ground. Had no clue what happened to these other seeds. So the only seeds that I got into the ground are the 3 sunflowers. So for this challenge, that's what I'm going with, is the 3 sunflowers. So Jeff, sorry brother, but that's what happened. So let's go check them out. And so it's actually a little windy and rainy, and I don't want to go out there. So, but yeah, I had the seeds sitting on a plate right here on this table. No clue where they went. I was over there. The wind was blowing in that direction when I was over there. Never saw a plate. But that right there, that's where I got the sunflowers. So, because the sun comes up that way, goes up around that way, so it gets a lot of sun right there. Shade from that tree does end up stopping right in here, so that area does get sun almost all the way until it gets past the edge of the wood shop. Yep, still gotta make a blacksmith shop, but yep, it is what it is. Don't know what happened to those seeds, but I'm not going to stand out there in the rain either. But we'll see what happens. Alright, so there we go, y'all. Got the seeds in the ground, like I said. And it is what it is. Things happen. Everything happens for a reason. That's what we always say. But definitely appreciate you guys for sticking around this long. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.